Oh, that's like fitment.
What are you doing?
Try to see my fitment. Yeah, I need to roll with 4 people to look nice. Oh yeah, check out my lug nuts.
Damn, they black just like your skin.
You got me there. Go! Run me, nigga! Come on, try to beat my Subi.
Might have to go Houston.
Oh, you... that black one? Huh? That black one I sent you? What is it?
Damn! So, it's revealed Josh wants a 350.
It's not.
What? Not gonna be a 350?
Huh?
Not gonna be a 350?
No.
670.
Nah. It's less than that.
It's on less?
Less numbers than 350.
It's a 280. 240!
No, you won't, nigga.
You gonna get a 240?
Not, you gotta go less than that too.
The
180?
fuck?
Less than that.
I don't know, bro.
A car with the number?
The runs 9 so much.
There what? There was 9s?
Just kidding, I'm not getting the car.
Fucking bitch, all that hype for nothing. I know. Be a hoe. But still, we want to run them in a month? In what?
Give me 2 months.
You 2 months? I won't even do anything to the Subi. I won't even change the oil for 2 months.
I can't beat the Subi. What the fuck?
Anything can beat the
Fuck
Subi.
that Subi.
Anything can beat the Subi.
Like all the spectators said. Is he built? Yeah.
Bro, it's some tires.
I'm tired, dude.
Damn.
What's the fucking tires? Like, without those, I wouldn't even launch like that. Imagine like launching on stock wheels.
Oh, I raced Cisco with the Sequoia.
Yeah?
Wait,
No.
what car with the Sequoia?
His IS. I mean, I get the launch on them. I'll be like, whoa. He'll creep up. God damn, this should be sitting in front.
You won't eat it?
I want some more hot links.
How long has that shit been sitting outside?
It's been drenched in rainwater.
It rained?
An ounce of water.
Yeah. You didn't know that? Rain, like how I'm lactating. Ah!
GTO?
Yeah, did you leave tools on top of my car?
Don't remember.
Damn it. Because a ratchet fell off and a socket fell off when he was driving.
On the highway, that shit almost hit somebody, bro.
Oh, for real? I don't remember.
Remember the last day we worked on your LS?
Jordan, I'm about to end my life right now. Don't.
Better pick that shit up, we might lose it.
Or hide it, I might lose it.
You right about that.
Nigga, that's all our tools!
Sorry. I might have to buy you guys next paycheck, man.
Just buy a whole set and just leave it so everyone can use.
Yeah, I might have to. It might not be expensive. So
Because Saisana came over, right?
yeah.
We couldn't find a 17.
There's a
We have 319s, 315s, 314s, but no 17s.
I saw a 17 somewhere over there.
Yeah, like a month ago.
What's your little red rocket? Little tiny ass white dick. You need to go in the sun more. Try to go inside? Try to go inside?
Hey, let them lick your belly button.
Hell no. I'll probably tickle. I'll probably face myself or something. Fuck that. I did too.
And I play it online. No, I played online. And Big Daddy. I was like, what the fuck? Big ass dude with dreads too, but with blue hair. And does the same fucking moves that you do, like the capoeira kicks and shit, and he high kicks hella fast. And then he grappled me because he kept kicking in the leg. Boom, boom, boom. I was like, what the fuck? That's what Jordan does. I couldn't get out of it because you know how you can block it. He just kept on punching me in the face. I was like, fuck this. I turned it off.
Or rage quitting ass nigga.
Like, man, every time I fight someone named Big Daddy, I lose. You know, another Jordan clan and shit. Jordan clan, hella black dude.
So when I was getting the tires, right? the tire people were clowning on me because the lugs kept breaking off.
Oh, bro.
Yeah, they're like, what the fuck? And then he's
How many lugs you on this one?
3 on both sides.
3 lugs. Wow.
But they're like, hey, I need to move your car. I'm like, all right, cool. And then they were trying to move it, and they braked. Like it couldn't even, like it didn't want to brake. He's like, what the fuck? You don't have no brakes too? And Dio was like, man, let's fucking throw this shit in the trash. And he was like, how much are you gonna get this for? 1,000? And he was like, oh, never mind. It's a pretty good deal. He's like, why are the wheels like that? I stole them. Like, what? They're like, no, I'm kidding. I just bought them for like $100. I'm like, what's up? You wanna buy it? 5,000. He's like, for this shit? No.
Can't go wrong with homies.
Exactly. So, because my sister wants to go eat and my cousin wants to go eat. But my cousin ran away from mom. No, she didn't run away from mom. She got in a fight with her mom. She's staying here for the night. I don't know where the fuck she is. She's like, I'll be back.
Then tell her what she gotta do to stay here though.
I told her like, hey, you can stay here for free. You gotta fucking do everything. Yeah, you gotta cut the grass, you gotta take up the trash, you gotta vacuum the house, you gotta vacuum the sequoia. And she's like, what the fuck?
No. He left out. He said you gotta do my laundry too.
Yeah, you gotta do my laundry. Yeah. Everything. You wanna stay here for a weekend? But can you go?
So what's up with you, Cisco?
Nothing.
Damn, silent treatment.
Let's go.
You a hoe, Cisco? What the fuck? I asked you a question.
I'm mad.
You mad?
I'm mad.
Why?
Fuck this thing. Why the fuck do they have to make IS so complicated? Look how small and compact everything is.
You think that's complicated? Go look at my engine bay.
Fuck that thing. Fuck this thing. Fuck you. Fuck non-running cars. Like 2 of them.
What 2 non-running cars you got, Josh?
Boy, I got the fucking no motor 1990 fucking turbo front wheel drive, supposed to be all wheel drive GSX. Now my LS400 is now running and the mystery car is gonna come in and that's gonna break down too.
What the fuck is a mystery car, goddammit?
Just kidding, I'm not gonna get one.
It's I'll tell you.
I know you know. You work with it.
Yeah. You know that what's that hot dog? The Heisman? The Oscar Myers mobile?
The Heisman?
That's what he's gonna get. Cause that nigga shaped like a fucking sausage.
Damn.
Shut up, you're the bear at work.
Bitch ass nigga, you're the one who gay. You're the one who want me to be the bear.
Fifth go. When you drive my forklift. If you had McDonald's fries, this shit would never rot.
I know.
Yeah, cause they'll be all gone.
Okay.
It's still my car. The ones that fell over, Mike.
It doesn't rot.
It just gets hard. That's it. I'm like, what the fuck?
Hey, potatoes.
Cisco, you get hard too, right?
Yeah.
You're cute when you're dirty.
Nah, he's just trying to match your skin.
Damn, perfect match. Might be a perfect couple. Come on. Oh, bitch ass nigga.
Ever fix your exhaust? Oh, I was at Ace with Cisco after work. I was like, fuck it, he's going there. He's looking for bolts and shit. I was like, all right, I'll see you at the house. I need to take a shit. Cause I ate spicy noodles. I wasn't about to make
You just left
it.
me there like nothing. I was like, what the
You left him at the fucking store?
Yeah.
Why didn't you just shit at the store?
No, fuck that. Cause it's gonna be like at work. You choose one stall and they decide to sit next to you when there's like other stalls.
That fucking sucks,
And then
dude.
both of your shit mixes together.
No, last time during lunch at work, right? I was like, man, I gotta take a shit. So I got off, like I got out my car early, like 10 minutes early. Fuck it, I walked into the restroom in the back.
Yeah.
Cause I didn't want to fucking like stink up the office. And I was like, damn, somebody's in there. I waited for like 5 minutes. And then my dumbass, like didn't wait at all. I just went in, dude. I fucking threw up after I opened the door. Like I was like, ugh, in the trash can. I just closed it. I'm like, ugh. Coworkers are like, are you okay? I'm like, dude, that shit stank. Whoever fucking blew that shit up, blew that shit up.
No, it's not as bad as when you walk into the fucking stall. All of a sudden you hear,
Hey,
and there's piss all over the fucking floor. Like, what the fuck?
I know, like in my old job, like there's piss all over the floor. That when I need to take a shit, so I'll like raise up my shorts all the way out here.
That should be pissing me off.
That's why when you take a shit, just take off all your clothes. It's more comfortable.
Oh god, I almost threw up.
Shit standing up.
How would you shit standing up?
You let it run down your leg.
Hopefully it goes straight down.
No, dude, what if it's diarrhea? It just runs down your legs.
Go straight down, bro.
No one needs to know. This is why there's fucking soap and hand sanitizer.
How the fuck you fall on a...
You're gonna clean your ass with hand sanitizer?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude. He needs to. Dirty bitch. So y'all got it all in. We're almost done.
Nah,
Hey,
tell them the truth.
I got the expensive for you, I don't even need it.
Huh?
The expensive for you, the big can one. The one that stops leaks and all that bullshit.
Yeah.
Cause I bought it for my Civic.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. No, my Civic's leaking.
Well, we're gonna try this, and if it like doesn't work, then I'm just gonna take it to the shop. Fuck it.
Damn, what happened to working on your own cars?
Man, bitch, bought not built, nigga. The fuck you talking about?
We don't fucking build shit no more, nigga. We buy shit. See that fucking the GS? Bought. See the
Wait. See this? Where is it? See this gray here? That means no more working on your own car. That means you got money and you gotta fucking pay somebody else to do it.
Okay.
I don't know where my gray hair is.
Yeah,
well, you old. You don't want to do shit.
No more.
You bending over right now, shit.
My hair.
I wonder how Fernando works on his car.
Back up, nigga.
Like this. You got the tools.
Hey, man, let me see. Here's the 12 socket. Extended? Nope. Short? Okay.
Nah, you fucking bring that impact gun.
Here comes Chris lifting up his stomach
you
and
don't
gets a
need no
cheeseburger.
impact gun. Just fucking go. Slap his back in it. Fucking automatically fucking vibrates and shit.
He puts a socket in his belly button. He's like this.
Do that. Damn. Who needs androids and shit? I'm pretty
Put a
sure.
socket in your belly button.
I'm pretty sure you snuck some donuts under his fucking back belly too.
What you got in here, K?
Yeah. Oh god, that's fucking gross.
Oh, you know what?
Typical Honda owner. I'm just kidding. Dual pool! What? You ever bleed your clutch?
I think a fucking bolt came off with a fucking shift linkage. Yeah.
What, just now?
Yeah.
Good job, Randy. Hey, why are your door jams red?
Don't worry about it, nigga. Damn.
That sucks. I got the number to pick and pull. We can go junk it.
I don't know what the fuck it is. It just won't go anywhere.
Oh, time to reveal what's under the hood.
Nothing. nigga.
Oh, shit. Damn!
Oh, it's fucking leaking. You see it? All the fluid. Either fucking oil or either fucking transmission. That's something.
I like your color scheme though. You got black, red, green.
See it?
What the fuck?
Oil.
Taste it. Motherfucker hit my mic.
Why are you doing this to me? It's only on that spot too. Why? You're gonna fucking show off and do a burnout. Now you fucking do this shit. Shit, fucking Honda.
You know what's surprising? Your Honda has more problems than your Subi. But then you also got this to worry about, that, and that. Everyone's gonna think you're a baller.
They already do. So how the fuck you afford so many cars?
You got that dark skin money.
Hell yeah, you know what I'm saying? Good. Black people money, nigga. Shit, pimps and hoes, nigga.
Hey, you showing the Seawalk. With your fucking T-Rex speed, nigga.
Put your AC on? Or turn it off? I'm gonna see it.
Wait, hold on like that.
Huh?
Dirty ass engine bitch. Can you explain how this car is gonna have AC and your IS doesn't?
Well, no. Damn, bro, that's cold AC. Hey, let me get some from my SC though. Nah.
Almost out, really.
Because the SC has a leak. I can smell it a lot. Like yesterday when I used it.
Randomly?
Yeah. No. Because yesterday when I drove it all day, like it was super hot, and then like midway of coming back home, like I was like, dude, my head is starting to hurt. I was like, Tina, do you smell something? She's like, yeah. I just didn't want to say anything. Oh, you really?
Hey Randy,
I knew I smelled it.
do that motion again. You feel cool?
No, it sounds horrible. One little like quick.
Why is only one fog light working?
I think this one just went out. This is the. Does everything ever go fucking right?